me what's happened this morning.
We caught a bird
How?
by a trap.
Yeah, what'd you put in the trap?
Apple, peanut butter, and bird seed, so we could catch a bird.
So we're gonna go out and grab it?
Yeah!
Alright, let's go find out what we caught, okay?
Yeah.
Yep, lots of birds out. What are we looking at down there?
Bird tracks. It snowed!
Wow. Okay, get going.
Let's get going. Snow? Oh.
It's still snowing.
I know.
Yeah. Now pick it up.
They're saying, hooray, you're saving me. That's what he's doing. Oh, look at that bird. He's looking to get out. We're not going to help him get out yet.